So what I did over here, since you can use those custom fields like I did, say, do whatever you want. So I built a Media Beacon test content type. And so here is Media Beacon. So let me pick a different kid. I'll just go and click here. And I've got this little set of images in this little test Media Beacon center. And I want to pull this image in. So I'll make a new piece of content. And then I built the searcher, which is a custom field that's got the content, the code in it to go search the API. It'll come back and it'll store the product ID, the thumbnail URL, although they said, you might want to use that. You might want to use a high res, but I just threw them both in there. So then I can search Media Beacon for that product and instantly bring back the product ID, the thumbnail URL, and the high res URL, right? This is just quick, kind of down and dirty integration. But, if I go back and I edit any of these, I should be able to see, by that product ID, what I've previously stored. And if I've got a widget that's pulling these images, it can then put, supply dynamically whatever URL I've stored in my content, right? And we've built examples before that if I actually know I don't any longer want my widget to be pulling the images, I want it to download the images into dotCMS after the search. That's actually what we did for this customer, which if you went to high school in the United States, you probably dealt with that company. But all of their images, they had like 6 million images in a Primo, and they wanted to slowly migrate them into dotCMS. So if you want your field to search, find, and download and integrate into dotCMS and start serving in a hybrid way. Like if it's not yet downloaded to dotCMS, then serve it from the external, else, search it, find it, store it in dotCMS.